Good morning dear students. In this video we are going to learning about new topic chapter number 5 language of chemistry. Before we discuss the topic, once we recall the definitions of matter. So what is matter? Already know definition of matter. Matter is nothing but anything which occupy space and volume or mass is known as matter. Anything which occupy space and volume or mass is known as a matter. So examples of matter, we can take any other examples of board, glass, wood, chair, etc. So these are some of the examples. So here matter is classified into two types. Generally you can divide into two types. What are they? Pure substance, impure substance. Pure and impure substance. Pure substance. What is pure substance? Pure substance means it chemically combined. So that means we can divide into two types. Pure, one is the element, compound. So first of all we discuss element. What is element? Element is a basic form of nature. It cannot be divided into similar substances in chemical reactions. It is known as element. So element is a pure substance made up of one kind of atom only. So elements are made up of only one kind of atom. It cannot be converted into, or it can be converted into, broken down into similar two substances, like example two or more similar substances at any physical or chemical nature. So what is the definition of element? Element is a pure substance made up of one kind of atom. It cannot be converted or broken down into similar substances in a chemical reactions. Is known as element. So in that element we discussed the atom. What is atom? Atom, it is the basic unit of element which may or may not be exist on its own. So as atom of any element is denoted by symbol. Atom of any element is denoted by symbol. So today class we are going to learning about symbol of elements. Other scientists introduced the symbol of elements. The scientist name is Berzelius in 1814 suggested how to represent the symbol of the elements. Suppose we take a simple approach to representing the elements. What is the process? So let we discuss that. First one, the first letter of the name of an element. The first letter name of the element was taken the symbol. So here we are taking first letter of the name of the element was taken. So what is the name of the symbols? Name of the elements? Here hydrogen. Hydrogen, what is the first letter? H. The symbol of hydrogen is H. Next element, carbon. What is the first letter? C. Symbol of carbon, C. Nitrogen. First letter is N. The symbol of nitrogen, N. So these are the method to represent the name of the letters present in first letters. And next one, the first two letters of the name of the element. So suppose we are taking first two letters. Like example, calcium, symbol of calcium, Ca. We are taking only first two letters. First two letters. Magnesium. What is the symbol? Magnesium, Mg. Why we didn't take the first two letters of Ma? So some of the elements are present in same way. So like Mg or Ma, that is we discuss later. Aluminium, the symbol of aluminium, Al, symbol of aluminium. So in these three elements the letters will be present. Calcium, Cf first two letters, and magnesium, Mg, aluminium, Al. And next one, Latin names. So Latin name of the elements. What is the Latin name of the elements? So was taken the symbol derived from the Latin names. So we are taking the symbol, the derived names after the Latin names. Suppose we take cuprum. What is the Latin name of cuprum? Copper. The symbol of cuprum, Cu. So that means the name of the element is copper. So here we are taking symbol of element is copper is Cu, not cuprum. So cuprum is here the Latin name. Symbol of copper Cu and Latin name is cuprum. Don't confuse this. Next one, other element, gold. The Latin name of gold is Aurum. The first two letters. What is the symbol of gold? Au. Iron. The Latin name of iron is ferrum. Symbol of iron is Fe, but Latin name is ferrum. Lead. Symbol of lead. That means Pb. What is the Latin name? Plumbum. Pb. Mercury. Latin name Hydrargyrum. Symbol Hg. So H already we discussed before the letter of single letter like hydrogen. So that is the reason we are taking two letters. Some of the elements. So Mercury symbol is Hg. Lead. The Latin name of lead is plumbum. Symbol is Pb. Iron. Latin name is ferrum. Symbol of iron is Fe. Gold. Aurum. The Latin name of gold is aurum. Symbol is Au. So these are the Latin name of the elements. It represent symbol of elements like gold, aurum, silver, mercury, argentinum. So some of the other examples. Let us we discuss about some symbol of elements like first element hydrogen. Symbol is H. Second one helium. Symbol is He. Third element lithium. Symbol of lithium is Li. Beryllium. Symbol of Be. Fifth element boron. Symbol of boron is B. Sixth element carbon. Symbol of carbon C. Seventh one nitrogen. Symbol N. Eighth one oxygen. Symbol O. Fluorine. Symbol F. 10th one neon. Symbol Ne. So you can observe this, some of the elements, first letter of the elements are repeated like nitrogen, neon. So nitrogen first letter is N and neon letter Ne, symbol of the element. Like beryllium and boron, first two letters are same. So here consider as a next letter like second letter. Lithium. So hydrogen and helium, here also same process. Hydrogen is first one, hydrogen already he represented. In second letter helium, but started letter is H. Again we are taking second letter He, helium. So the symbol of helium is He. So next one, so up to 10 elements, the repeated letters hydrogen, helium, beryllium, boron and nitrogen and neon.